As a child, for many it were dolls, but for me it has always been colors, shapes, and design. May it be a painting on a paper or any rangoli, every design has taken my attention, and I would be glued there. My name is Preeti Malik, and I have been guided by the faculty at Design Venue. Their meticulous approach to help one has amplified my success in MIT, UID, Pearl, ISDI, and the prestigious NID first round. So I have two files. This is the medium file and this is the art form files. I've named my portfolio as Art Beats since my heart beats for art. And now the medium file, I've made a 3D art gallery model, and for my art form file, I've made a few products. So I will start with my medium file first. My medium file consists of different kinds of mediums, which is oil pastels, and I've given a small description about it, and then a few paintings, and then there's color pencils, another medium, and a little bit of description, and then my next medium is soft pastels. Then in the same order comes poster colors, then a few paintings under that, then there's acrylic, and there's black and white, and my last one is pen and ink, and a few paintings underneath. So this is my art medium file. As I mentioned, my medium file, I have made a 3D art gallery model. So this is my art gallery model, and the paintings that are included in my file are made into miniature form and presented in my art gallery. So you can see that's black and white, then there's soft pastels, then there's oil pastels, color pencils, then there is posters, acrylic, and then there's pen and ink. I've also added a small cafeteria to enhance my model as well. And I painted the people, and I added grass and wooden flooring. So this is my model. This is my art forms file. So like I mentioned, for my art forms file, I made a few products. So this, I start with Madhubani. It's a form of art. So for this, the product that I made was a stole. It was designed by me completely. I drew and I painted over it with fabric paints. And I also made a little design at the end. And then my next art form is aboriginal. So this is how aboriginal is. Aboriginal is about dot work. So I made a tissue box for it. It's a sweets box that I cut out and made into a tissue box. Then my next art form is Gond. For Gond, I made a jewelry box. Then comes nib painting. So for nib painting, I made a pendant. And my last art form is Varli, and my painting in it, and I designed a bag. So I made the Varli art form on the bag. And I also added what I have learned extra, which is calligraphy. I have learned calligraphy. So I've written my description in calligraphy as well. And I've shown what I've learned in calligraphy. Then my last is my achievements and moments, which is my certificate that I've achieved. And these are my memories. So this is my whole portfolio, which I showcased in my interviews for my second round. Thank you. So I hope this video has helped you in some way. And as far my experience with interviews is concerned, I think you should be really confident about your work and proud of it, because that is what interview panels really appreciate. And all the best for your interviews. Do well. Thank you.